Okay, I am about to show you one of the easiest recipes. It's another Instant Pot recipe. So easy. It's something I don't eat. You can see it's ribs. Ugh. But my husband likes them, so I make them for him. I've actually made these a number of times. Right now I'm just removing that membrane from the back. I have actually left this on, and I think it gets cooked, but I see people removing it. See how you can just pull that off? This is literally one of the easiest recipes you will ever do. I put this tequila lime seasoning in Dave's stocking this year, so I'm using that. But I have done this with just salt and pepper. So do that, salt, pepper, garlic salt. If you have some kind of pork rub that you like to use, please do that. I'm not gonna put too much on here because he's not really about that too much. And then wait till you see how easy this is. I'm gonna put the whole thing rounded in the pot. I'm gonna show you. Now you'll want at least a cup of liquid. You know what I saw when I was out there getting this beer? We have some apple juice too. Apple juice would go good in there. So really just any kind of liquid you want, you need at least a cup. I'm putting the whole bottle in there. That's it's 12 ounces. So, but I don't drink beer, and Dave's not here right this second, so I'm gonna just put the whole thing in there, but you need at least a cup. And that's gonna help tenderize these things. You could eat them right out of the, when you take them out of the Instant Pot, and they're flavorful and delicious like that. But I do like to stick them out on the barbecue grill for, 5 minutes each side. They're actually already cooked when they come out. You're just trying to get that barbecue-ness, okay, if you will. So we're gonna stick the lid on. Okay, make sure that the vent is closed. We're gonna put this on high pressure for 28 minutes. And it says here, we're gonna press the pressure cook, and you're gonna go up, whatever you used it last, that's the time that's on there. I used it for 5 minutes last time, so I gotta go back all the way up to 28 minutes, and it will just start. And again, those of you who are new to the Instant Pot, it will have to build up pressure before that 28 minutes starts. It's not 28 minutes from right now. Now it's on, it's saying, okay, you want this for 28 minutes. I'm gonna do it for 28 minutes. It has to build up pressure, and that can take 5 to 10 minutes, depending on what you're making. So once it's built up the pressure, that's when the clock starts ticking, okay? So we'll be back in 28 plus minutes to see how these ribs turn out. We're at 10 minutes. Now I'm gonna release the pressure unnaturally. Please don't ever touch this with your fingers. You always use a wooden spoon or some kind of something. And we're just gonna release the rest of that pressure. Here we go. Okay, that pressure's been released. The ribs are done. Again, you could eat them like this if you wanted to, but I'm gonna put some barbecue sauce on them and put them on the grill. See that? And these are nice and tender. You can see that that's nice and tender as it is right there. Look, I could just pull it off with the tweezers. And if I ate meat, I'd take a big bite of that right now, but I do not. I'm gonna paint a little bit of barbecue sauce on here. Yeah, they're ribs. I don't eat them. The only day Dave doesn't eat meat, though, is Meatless Monday. So if you are a meat eater, you will love these ribs. They're perfect every time. You stick them in the Instant Pot, let them cook for 28 minutes. And I mean, you give or take. I think I've done them on 30 minutes before because I just forgot it was supposed to be 28. And then slap them on the grill for a couple of minutes on each side with some barbecue sauce, or not. If you just like the dry rub, just use that, no problem. Thanks for watching. You take care now.